What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. Okay, I got totally distracted by these super cute flip-flops. They say I love ice cream. We also have some really pretty yellow ones up there that say good vibes. We have lots of cute new flip-flops for kids. Maybe you just need a little pair for the lake or the river or the beach. I mean, I know they're not like the best quality in the world, but sometimes you just need a cheap little pair of flip-flops that you don't really care about. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I don't think I ever saw that there. Okay, let's get back to this aisle. We're gonna hunt for new things. Is this a tank top? An adult tank by Comfort Colors. In one of my locations, I was seeing a lot of different shirts and tank tops, and a lot of them were even in plus sizes. Cute socks. It's so quiet in here. I feel like I'm making a lot of noise. I showed these at the very end of my last video, these super nice scrubbies. Ooh, it's like 3 little scrubbies put together, and it's just really nice. I think we just have these 2 different varieties, and these are new from Juncture. Multi-purpose scarves, and they feel so silky and nice. There's not any headband or anything in here. They're just kind of tied and then added to the little card. We have polka dots. Ooh, they feel so nice. We have animal print. This one reminds me of like a flight attendant. Really pretty and blue. This one's like giving me vintage vibes. What does it say on the tag? It says 100% polyester. These are cute. Then we have this one over here. Pretty with the green. This one is different. This is a scrunchie with a scarf. The headbands with the matching scrunchies. I think I showed all of them to you. This headband's kind of cute with the double gold. Oh, these are new. Kiss and Baby. We also have Happy and Love. The Pretty Pearls. Oh, this one is so cute. Look at this one. With the pearls and the little strand that dangles down. I feel like it's a little bit tangled. Oh, here we go. This is how it's supposed to look. Super cute. I love jewelry and accessories and various things that have movement to them. I think that makes it so pretty. We have these headbands here. I feel like some of these are new as well. These ones are packaged up. Aw, this one is so cute. I love it. If you love fluffy and fuzzy, we also have these ones with the pearls. And then we have these super cute ones over here that are fuzzy and furry. They're really pretty. They definitely look like they cost more than $1.25. And then these ones are brand new, the floral headbands. The baby headbands. These are cute little hair bows. I really love this one though. This one makes me really happy. I think these are new. These are combs infused with argan oil. I don't really know how that works, and they feel pretty bendable, but I like the concept that we get a little something extra with our comb. I don't know how that works though. Ooh, we have brand new luggage tags. But first coffee, the little bus, the cute pineapple drink. And then over here we have the lip glosses, vanilla scented, bubblegum scented, watermelon scented, and strawberry scented. Okay, let's head over here. This is the only location that had all of the little Vaselines. Okay. Ooh, look at these, you guys. The 32 ounce of soft soap, the refills. Scanning for new items. These are back, the super big scrubbies. Sally Hansen. This is brand new, you guys. Sally Hansen Aftercare for face and body. Extra smooth lotion. I'm gonna put one of these in my cart. I wanna smell it though. What's this? Sally Hansen bleach cream for face. Cream hair bleach. Fast and gentle hair lightening. Consistent results every time. Wow. This is what you get. You guys know this definitely cost a lot more than $1 everywhere else. And these are still here by SGX NYC, the blue to black temporary color foam. Okay, let's see what's behind me. Oh, all the pretty Mother's Day items. I showed these in Jerry's store. Whoa, you guys, look, 30% more pure silk, and it has the lid, unlike these. 30% more rust-proof bottom, 9.5 ounces. This is just a 5 ounce variety. This right here, 9.5 ounces. I am definitely gonna get some of these. Nice. Hey, I'm happy even if I run into Dollar Tree and I find 2 to 3 new items for the week. That's going to be saving me dollars. Like, for example, this costs almost $7 in Walmart. So if I get 3 of them, that's $3.75. That's roughly half the price of one. And I have 3 of them to last me some months. So even just finding a couple items makes it worth it for me. This is foaming hand wash. It's a refill and fresh scent. And then of course we still have lots of soft soap varieties here. We have Crisp Clean. We have, which one's this? Oh, Gently Coconut. And then we have Safeguard. Oh, these are new. Look at the packaging. It's like very gummy. Cherry Blossom Pampering Hand Soap. Totally new packaging from Suave. And right here on the front of the bottle, they're saying, what, you guys? Fragrances as beautiful as Bath and Body Works. If you guys didn't know, that's kind of a funny thing about Suave that I didn't really pay attention to for a really long time. But Suave really kind of takes the position of being a dupe brand. Like, oh, this is like Bath and Body Works, this and that. Like, they've been doing that for years with some of their hand soaps, their body washes, I think even some of their shampoos. But they kind of keep it on the low. See how small that is? Like, they definitely are a little hush-hush about it. The men's grooming kits are here. For $1.25, you get a small comb, you get a tweezer, a nail clipper, a scissor, and maybe that's it, 4 pieces. I feel like I was missing something though. And then I think this is new as well by EAD. Stimulating Body Wash. Energizing, invigorating, and cooling formula for men. 12 ounces. EAD is the brand that makes all of the dupe men's body sprays and women's perfumes and stuff like that. They've been around for a really long time. I think I'm most excited about the Sally Hansen Aftercare, but I'm wondering if it's supposed to be used after the bleach cream set. I'm not going to be buying the bleach cream set, but I want to smell this one. I mean, you're getting 8 ounces. And then of course, I'm also super excited about this. And then from one of my other videos, I'm super excited about this where I was showing all of the dental care. Like, I definitely want to try this. I totally have enough toothpaste in my stash, but I don't have anything like that. So I definitely want to give it a try for you guys. And then don't forget to check out some of the Mother's Day items. We see a lot of these same items every year, but they are really cute. The little wax melt burners, the cute little bottles. They always have pretty little things here for mom. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. All you have to do is hit the little button to subscribe and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. Bye, guys.